he whakāturanga o te wā mua. Nā, he wā mā Sean Bragg kia hoki ana mahara ki tāna tipuranga ki te marae o Te Rau Aroha.
I always loved going to the marae as a kid. It always meant that, we were going down there, we're probably going to have a good feed, and we're going to be able to catch up with all the cousins and all the aunties and uncles that grown up with my whole life. Our marae whānau's a special group to be part of.
I te puake a Sean ki te marae o Te Rau Aroha, te pātuki manawa o motu pōhue. He oi, ko tāna whanaunga a Corey, ko hoki mai I ēnei tau e whā hei kaimahi mo te marae. Ko tā Corey, he miharo te kite I te whakawhanaketanga mā te hāpori me te marae.
I think the key difference is that our historic journey or the exhibition was placed in our wharekai, and we had a number of videos. Our weavers contributed their kākahu, their korowai, and plus we had the whānau there on the day to guide and support our whānau coming through. And so this is the first piece of that work.
A lot of the whānau here were down at that anniversary for the whole weekend, and they're still standing there reading the panels and taking their time and just reminiscing on how special it's been to be a part of Te Rau Aroha and to be part of Bluff.
E whā ngā wāhanga o te whakāturanga nei, a e tūana ki te whare o Miharo Murihiku.
There are 28 panels in the exhibition and it's huge. And so what we've done, because our space is a little bit smaller, is we've broken it up into 4 installations so you can come and sit and spend time with it. There's no rush to get through it because you can come back again and see the next installation.
And the beauty about our space is schools are able to book in and come in as a class to be a part of it.
Ko te wāhanga tuatahi e ruku hohonu ki ngā hitori o kaitahu whānui me te taenga mai o ngā whānau ki Awarua.
The first instalment of the exhibition, I guess, is all about Bluff or Awarua and the sort of establishment of the township, a lot of the history around the place names and the whenua. Yeah, I guess the early days in Bluff itself and the establishment of the Māori hostel and sort of how, before we even got to Te Rau Aroha Marae itself.
We're really grateful for this opportunity to keep coming back to this space and keep learning and sharing that with our whānau.
Ka tū, tēnei whakāturanga ki Miharo Murihiku, tai noa ki te kaumawhitu o Mei. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.